Okay, if you're looking to install Fusion 360 at home on your computer or your Mac, um, how you would do that is you can actually install the full program just like we have in the classroom. You would need to go to autodesk.com, spelled like this highlighted, and then click the sign in and sign in the same way you do in the classroom with your email and your password. When you're done signing in, click on the face here, and that's your account stuff, and go to products and services. Once you get there, you should see Fusion 360. This might look a little different for you because I'm on a teacher view, but you should see Fusion 360 and be able to download it here. And you'll just kind of click it and then follow through the steps. It's going to tell you to download something, at which point you'll go ahead and download and install it. Once you install it, you'll have to log in just like you do in the classroom, and that's about it. All right, so hopefully that all works well for you, and if not, send me an email, let me know.